it's Chef Yoda the dog here, and today is Monday, so it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is going to be a black-eyed pea curry that my mom got from pingpotcurry.com. So she's going to put a link to the recipe in the description box below. But you should know, she did not follow any of the spices in the recipe. She just did curry powder, and really she just followed it because it said at the bottom what to do if you were using frozen black-eyed peas instead of dried black-eyed peas in the Instapot. So this recipe is great. You're going to want to save the link because it gives you lots of different options if you're using canned black-eyed peas, dried black-eyed peas, changes in the water, changes in how long it has to go in the Instapot, and also if you want to cook it on a stovetop. So it's got lots of great options. So definitely check out the original recipe, but Mom changed it up quite a bit. And also she's making an instant rice to go with it. That also has curry powder for the flavoring and some garlic and onion. So I won't be able to eat this just because it has garlic and onion. None of the dogs are supposed to have that, Mom says. So I'm not going to be able to have any of it, but she gave me a treat, so that'll work. Hopefully you guys have a great week, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do that. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, as Yoda said, we are making a black-eyed pea curry with frozen black-eyed peas in the Instapot for dinner tonight. So first we sauteed a cup of onion, chopped onion. I did a tablespoon of garlic and then 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Now this recipe I'm gonna link to, I just really looked at it so I could know how to cook frozen black-eyed peas in the Instapot. But I did not do what they did because they made their own curry out of all the separate spices and I don't have all those. So I just used curry powder. I'm also going to add 2 cans of chicken for some extra protein. Chicken. We're going to add about 2 cups of water, and then we're adding 2 bags of frozen black-eyed peas. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you what to do next. All right, everybody, this is what it looks like. You also add tomato, diced tomato. So I added 2 cans from my mother-in-law's garden. And then a couple teaspoons of salt. So I used sea salt. And then I did a couple of teaspoons of apple cider vinegar because it called for lime juice and I can't have lime juice. I'm allergic to it. So that's what I put in there. And then water. Now, it was originally 2 cups of water, but that's for like a cup of dried black-eyed peas. I am not doing that. I'm doing 2 bags of frozen. So you just put enough water in there. It was about 4 cups to cover the peas. So that's what we got in there. Then you're gonna put it on sealing, manual pressure cook for 4 minutes. Already on the right amount. And then you let it naturally release. Okay, we did pressure cook, sealing for 4 minutes, and then we're gonna do a natural release till it finishes. Isn't that right, Yoda? Yoda, hey Yoda, talk to the people, say hi. Anyway, once it is done natural releasing, I'll show you the finished product. All right, I let it natural release for 20 minutes, then I finished it up with a quick release. I just tried one, the black-eyed peas are all cooked through. I did like 4 cups of water, I might could have done less. But I'm gonna take this rice that I made, this curry rice, and dump it in here too, and mix it up. So that'll be our black-eyed pea curry. So hopefully you guys give this one a try. It's really tasty. Talk to you later. Have a happy Monday. Bye.